Let's see how to set text direction and position in a shape or text box. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and insert our shape first. Let's go ahead and insert a rectangular shape. Now let's remove the shape fill. And let's keep the outline. Now let's go ahead and type in our text in the shape. Now, as you can see, we now have our shape that has text inside of it. So to change the text direction and position, so for example, we want to rotate our text so that it is vertical rather than horizontal. So what we can do is right click on our shape. Now click on Format Shape. And here, click on Text Options. And here, on the far right, under Layout and Properties, make sure that you change the text direction to either rotate all text to 90 degrees or rotate all text to 270 degrees. And as you can see, when we selected 270 degrees, that rotated our text to 270 degrees while keeping the shape the same. And from here, you can edit the size of your shape to make sure that your text fits. And you can also move it around if you want to. Now, the same thing or the same process is used for a text box. So let's go ahead and insert our text box. Let's say that we want to insert this simple text box right here. Now, let's go ahead and do the same thing. Click on the text box, click on Format Shape. Now click on Text Options and click on Layout and Properties. From here, do the same thing. You can either rotate your text or change the alignment of your text or even rotate your text box itself. And that is how you can set text direction and position inside a shape or text box. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.